From there, we go to ways in which children are abused in their workplace. How are they abused? These children who are under the age of 18, they are subjected to long working hours. Remember, they do not have their rights, so they are subjected to long working hours. There is also sexual or physical abuse in case they do something that is not, you feel that it is not good, you handle them like a child. Some of them are what? Spanked. You just you cane them. You can then hit them or you sexually abuse them. Also, they are being underpaid, or you deny their wages, you don't pay them. They are also denied education because the time that you're supposed to be at school is when you are at home doing what? Working. Also, verbal abuse. Yes, you abuse them. Also, they're introduced to crime at an early age. Yes, they're introduced to crime at an early age because in case their employer is involved in any kind of crime, they're going to see it and learn it at an early age. They're also denied to go to church. If you're working and your child, you do not have right. They do not give you time to go to church. So you are denied your rights to go to church. So when I come back tomorrow, we are going to start with rights of what? Children.